Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, this particular tutorial is all about how to make a donut topper, and this particular donut is going to have sugar on it. Yes, that's right guys, you heard it here first. It's going to have sugar on it. So without further ado, let me show you how you do that. Now you get your luxury donut that you've already prepared, and here it is here. And what you're going to do next is a very easy little process. And let me just explain what that will be. So what we're going to do is use some glue, which is this one, white school glue, PVA glue. You need a glue that will stick and be clear. It has to be clear. So this is like a white glue, so that's fine. You will need some of this. Now this is, it looks like sugar, but it's actually white sand. Okay, so you'll need some white sand because I find this looks just like sugar. And what I'm going to do is put some glue over this top part of the donut and sprinkle the fake sugar all over the top to make a sugar donut. I know, exciting, isn't it? Now, before I do that, I just need to make sure I've got something to catch all the sand with. And as luck would have it, I've got one of these, and it's a top off of a little container. So I find these very handy. So what I'm going to do is just place that there like so, and put that there like so also. And all you need to do is get your glue, which is here, and liberally put it all around your donut. Now what I do is I just use my fingy and I just go like that with it. Okay, just to put all the glue in the area or areas that you would like the fake sugar to stick. Okay, and that is basically what you do. I mean, it looks like icing at the moment. It looks good. If it stayed like that, it'd be like runny icing, but yes, it's not. It's actually glue, and that will dry. Yeah, so that's all good. Okay, so the next thing is what we're going to do is just open up our fake sugar, and all I'm going to do is do this. And look at that already. It looks like sugar, but really it's sand. How amazing is that? So this one is a really easy one to do, guys. I love doing this one. It's just amazing. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Put it on like that, and then you just do this. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Let me just put that to one side. Oh. There you have it, a luxury sugar donut. And like I say, the glue will dry clear, so you'll just be left with the sugar effect on the top. Look at that glistening in the light. Absolutely amazing. So I'm really pleased with that. So hopefully you will be too. And yeah, so this is a quick tutorial just to show you how to sugar a donut. And there you go. I mean, you could, if you wish, put glue all inside and all around the edge and sugar the whole thing. Because some people like that. They like lots of sugar. But I've gone with this effect because I like that look. And, you know, I've actually painted this donut, as you know, and I want people to see it, that I've taken all the effort and time to do it. So that's why I've done it like this. But it's entirely up to you guys how you do yours. Okay, so there you go. That's it. In a nutshell, one sugar donut. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.